Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can already tell by the title and the thumbnail, today we are going to be testing out viral life hacks that are all over the internet, like channels like 5 Minute Crafts, and all of these have like DIYs and hacks apparently that we can use in our daily life routine. So, I'm just going to be testing them out today and see if these hacks actually work and if they are actually feasible to do it as a daily life में. So we'll be rating them as a pass or a fail in today's video. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing if these hacks actually work or not, then definitely keep on watching till the end. And also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you do so. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just dive right into the video. Okay, let's start with the first hack. So this is what the first hack looks like. It's basically we have to hang our phone using a charger while it's charging. So yeah, I'm very nervous about this one क्योंकि guys phone गिर गया, वो भी height काफी है. Yeah, you can see मेरे level तक का है. So yeah. Okay, so let's start. I'll have to see the video once because it's so confusing. एक तो सिर्फ 2 seconds में they finish the video. And how do they expect us to like try it then? अरे हो जाए भाई. Okay, मुझे easily समझ नहीं आ रहा है but थोड़ा ऐसे वाइंड करके है. So firstly पहले तो इसको अटैच करते हैं. Okay, now that I've attached it, I'll try जितना I've understood. Okay, so it kind of stayed and I think we can give it a pass, but it's a very risky position guys क्योंकि कोई ऐसे चलता हुआ चला गया and if they hit this, see it's already shaking. तो if someone just bangs into it तो ये phone गिरेगा. So it's a very risky position. So if you all ever try this, then do it at your own risk क्योंकि मैंने suggest नहीं किया. I will just give it a pass. Okay, so the next hack is this one. So I chose this particular hack because I think if this hack actually works, तो it's going to do wonders. Because बहुत बार हो जाता है कि हमारी shoelace में knot आ जाती है and then we keep on struggling and we waste so much time on that, but फिर भी खुलता नहीं है. So yeah, I thought of testing this particular hack so that if it actually works, तो हमारा काम बहुत easy हो जाएगा and yeah, it will be really helpful for us. So let's see if it works or not. Okay, so for the second hack, अभी I'm sitting down on the floor. Okay, तो मैंने एकदम ही tight कर दिया इसको. Now let's see. So according to the video, इसको एक shoelace में से pass करना है. It's going through my shoelace, मतलब उसमें से hold करके pass हो रहा है. Oh my god. It's literally not. Finally. Okay. So दोनों ऐसे आ गए हैं. Now I just have to pull it apart. So let's see if it works or not. 1, 2, 3. It actually worked. Oh god, but मेरा mistake देखो मैंने क्या कर दिया. मैंने shoelace के through डाल दी वरना it would have worked better properly. But yeah, it worked. Actually खुल गया. Nice one. I really liked it. Okay, so this hack also was a pass, a big pass. And as you already saw, these U-pins were really handy. So guys, next time whenever you wear shoes, make sure to carry U-pins in your pocket, or else girls you can just wear it, right? No, I'm just kidding guys. I mean, it's definitely a really cool hack, like बहुत जल्दी निकल गया. But just ये easily accessible नहीं है. Like not everybody has U-pins. Like boys generally won't have it. But yeah, I think it really works. So if ever something like this happens to you guys, तो make sure कि तुम U-pins अपने पास रखो.
U-pins जब तुम्हारे साथ है तो डरने की क्या बात है, right guys?
कितना lame. Okay, let's move on to the third hack. Okay, so this is the most exciting hack that I've seen on the internet मैंने आई थिंक ये हैक कुछ 1 साल पहले देखा था एंड बैक देन इतना इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि आई वांटेड टू ट्राई इट and now I've got the opportunity to try it. So yeah, as you can see, I have my straightener over here. So this is the hack basically which we are going to do today. So yeah, as you saw, हमें straightener से we are going to make popcorn. Like straightener, popcorn. Let me know in the comment section. Don't you all think it's so exciting? So I'm going to try it for you guys and see if this hack actually works. My straightener is connected and for this I would prefer using like Actu popcorn and all if you use तो उसमें oil based होता है right उसका जो corn होता है but rather use these just normal corn के seeds जो आते हैं I would prefer that so that your straightener doesn't become oily as well right. So हाँ I'm just going to take like 1 दाना अभी के लिए and put it इसमें and let's see if it works or not. And yeah, don't worry, मैंने already clean कर लिया है straightener को अंदर से, तो yeah, that's not an issue.
Meanwhile,
it's not staying. इसको कैसे रखूँ मैं? रह ही नहीं रहा यार.
a few moments later.
And it it's rolling down यार. How do I keep it? Let me try. I will keep trying. क्योंकि हमें ये ट्राई करना है यार.
2000 years later.
मुझे एक्चुअली समझ नहीं आया मैं क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ. Let me try. I almost had it. अरे भाई रह जाना यार. See अभी से ही ये हैक मेरे लिए फेल हो रहा है because पहली बात हो नहीं रहा है. And गैस पे easily हो जाता है तो why use a straightener to make popcorn? But let's see. Yes. रह गया था यार. Oh my god. Okay. वापस रही है. I think अब मुझे टेक्निक आ रही है. I'm just pressing it and heat on कर रही हूँ अब मैं. इतनी मेहनत के बाद if this doesn't work ना.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so अब जब फाइनली हो रहा था properly, storage issue की वजह से my video stopped recording. So I had to sit and I had to transfer my storage in my laptop and now I'm here back again. But never mind, I'll try it again and now I think I've gotten the technique like thoda bahut. So let's try. I've taken a flatter corn का piece this time because रह जाए वो. Guys, मैं seriously ये अभी hack try करने के लिए I'm trying it, but I won't recommend this hack. I mean, if you want to try it for fun, go ahead. But I will not recommend it because एक पॉपकॉर्न बनने में इसमें it's taking so much time. तो imagine कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'll keep trying for you guys. Guys, तुम लोगों के लिए I'm trying when I could have stopped this video right here because now it's.
आता माझी setup ले guys.
But for you guys I'm trying it. So abhi if you have reached the video till here then make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and please comment section में write good things so I'll feel happy कि I tried this only for you guys. So please guys like तो बनता है ना. मैं ना almost highest temperature कर रही हूँ because I just want to get done with this thing now. Okay, sorry, I was lost मेरे उसमें, but wow guys, it actually worked. अच्छा बना यार. I mean, of course, basically हम heat दे रहे हैं तो it will work, but it worked. Finally, फाइनली मैं अगर देखूँ ना, I've already recorded 7. Yeah, sorry. So I've already recorded 7 minutes of footage worth right now. उसके पहले I recorded 8 minutes in which I was just trying to make it work. So 15 minutes की मेहनत के बाद finally I've gotten one popcorn. Let's have it. Let me taste and see how it is. Sorry, I'm very happy, but I will give this one a big thumbs up. No. Sorry, I won't give this a big thumbs up. See, popcorn तो बन गया, बहुत अच्छे से बना in fact. But did you see how much time did I take? How much mehnat did it take? How much precision did it take? I will give it a thumbs up because the hack is purely कि you can make popcorn using a straightener. But how feasible is it? How sensible is it? I won't say it's feasible because guys कौन straightener लेके जाने वाला है and popcorn बनाने वाला है. Okay, if you are traveling somewhere and you don't have a gas or whatever, if you don't have something but you have a straightener and you crave for popcorn, then it makes sense. बट अगर तुम घर पे हो या किसी और के घर पे हो या किसी और के घर पे हो या कहीं बाहर घूमने गए हो, वहाँ पे तो जनरली पॉपकॉर्न पैकेट्स यू कैन जस्ट बाय और एज किचन तो होता ही है, यू कैन टेल देम और व्हाटएवर. सॉरी मैं इतना ब्लैबर कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वाज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि ये हो ही नहीं रहा था, बट फाइनली हो गया. सो आई वुड से दैट इट्स अ पास जस्ट फॉर मेकिंग पॉपकॉर्न. ओके, सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट हैक दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. Okay, so basically this hack is also a really cool hack, like if it works, because बहुत बार होता है कि we have a tape but we don't have a scissor and the tape is not being cut by our mouth or our teeth as well. So that is when this particular technique comes in place. So let's just try and see if it actually works or not. Let's just try. I didn't have उतना thick tape एक तो. I just bought a brown tape जो मेरे पास था. I just brought that one. Abhi, the hack is we have to take it down. We have to twist it. ऐसे करके. Okay, we have to twist it and stick it with the tape. And then ये करके. Wait guys, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, let me try again. Okay, let's see now. क्या ये हो ही नहीं रहा है यार, सिर्फ टेप पेस्ट हो रही है. Let me try it for the last time now because I don't know यार ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. मैं ये साइड यूज ही नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये ऊपर आ रहा है ना उससे भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. So I'm just taking ऐसे. Anyways, we are just trying. So I'm placing it अंदर ऐसे. Now the next step, इसको नीचे लेना है. Then make like a triangle. See, can you all see? Okay. We made one triangle. अभी इसको extend करके I have to make another triangle ऐसे. ऐसे. And then just pull it out. Okay guys, so as you all clearly saw, this particular hack was a big fail. Big fail. I mean, मैंने कितना try किया. Just look at this guys, the amount of tape I wasted. I haven't even removed this. Let me try. Sorry. इतना सारा tape I wasted. But the hack didn't work only. Not even 1%. I had hopes from this one actually. Because it looked very promising. She did that, this, that, and उसका हो गया यार इतना easily. Guys, by chance if you all try this hack at home, then please let me know in the comment section below कि if it worked or not. Because there might be a possibility कि I was doing it in the wrong way. And if you all understand what mistake I was doing, then let me know that as well in the comment section below. I'll try it again and I'll see if it works or not. Okay, let's move on to the next hack now. Okay, so the next is the last hack for today's video. So this is the hack that I'm going to try now. Yeah, so as you saw this hack, if it works properly, then I think it's a pretty good hack. So yeah, let's just try and see how we have to do this. Let's just make the structure first and then I'll show you कि कैसे वो circle बन रहा है. So yeah, मुझे वीडियो देखना पड़ेगा.
तुमने तो दिखा दिया, but I haven't seen it.
Okay, let's set that up. So पहले 2 pencils लेनी है and just seal them, both of them together. Okay, now that I've done that, अभी इसको cross करना है and now we have to put a pencil over here. We have to make a A. I think ये hack तो work करेगा guys. What do you all think? अभी नीचे comment section में जाके बताओ will it work or not before seeing the end. Perfect. So we have our compass ready. Now let's see if it works or not actually. तो मैंने इनिशियली बहुत बाहर रखा था बट वो मेरे पेपर में फिट नहीं हो रहा था बेसिकली बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी बिग. So then I just brought both of them closer to each other and it's coming closer so easily. See, let's try and make like a small circle. Okay, so this is how the circle turned out. I mean, एकदम perfect circle आया. I think I really like this hack. It's really good. It didn't take a lot of time as well. 5 minutes में I made this. And then ये तो 2 मिनट का काम था. And the best part is कि it's adjustable. Because see, ये छोटा भी हो सकता है. Now if I want to make it big, I can make it big. So n number of circles we can make. In fact, इसका ये ज़्यादा बड़ा है. So जो normal compass में we are restricted to a small size circle only. But इसमें तो we can make a very big circle as well. Because of the pencil ka length. So I think I really like this one. This hack is a big thumbs up, so it's a pass for me. Okay, so that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I personally loved filming this video and I got to know so many new hacks. And yeah, I had actually planned for 7 hacks in this video, but I couldn't film it because a few items were not available. So I just did these 5 hacks. If you want to see more similar videos like this, like trying out or testing makeup hacks, या fashion hacks, या food hacks, like there are many food hacks like ये popcorn वाला, वैसे और hacks भी है. So if you're interested in knowing about other hacks as well and if they work or not, then I would love to make such videos because मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. So yeah, if you all enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay happy and stay positive. Bye.